I told everybody, my viewers, in this live right now, na kapag meron nga akong issue, why not ask or why not tell it personally? Thank you so much for the gift. Uy, huwag niyong awayin yung lola. Kaibigan ko yun, pero nabisit ako sa kanya. Lashes from Coremaz, yung self-adhesive niya, A08 yung
Off mo muna tayo. Pause mo.
Hindi ko alam sa kanya. Pero I am going to confront her. Ang lapit lang na saap.
Yes. Sabi mo atrapan.
I miss you too.
Mahal. 43 pesos.
Yung sa yung Taga-Austin, school ko dati. And she does affiliates as well. Right. If you're going to drag down other women, you're dragging yourself down as well. Lahat tayo pretty. Nabad trip ako sa kanya. Nasa pinned comment, guys, kay Ate Denny. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Hala, Celine. Sorry. Kilala mo ba yun si Iona Faye? Celine, I have a question. Gamit kong highlighter from JMCY. Iona Faye? Kilala mo ba yun? Hi, my blush is from Z. Oh, sorry. Hello, I'm back. She's pretty. Mabait din siya. Celine, may ask ako. Chen, kilala mo si Iona Faye? Ahantingin ko yun. Steve, may away ako ngayon. Makisama ka. Pag nang microbangs ka. Concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind.